Have you ever opened your Google Drive only to find that some files are missing or simply not showing up? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to locate your missing files, recover them if needed, and ensure this never happens again. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share a crucial tip that most people miss, and that tip alone could save you from losing files forever. First, let's start with the simplest step. Check your Google account. Many times files seem to vanish simply because we're logged into the wrong account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and confirm you're in the correct Google account where those files were originally stored. Next, use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Type in the exact file name if you remember it, or even just a keyword. Google Drive's search is quite powerful. Use filters like file type, owner, or date modified to narrow it down. Still no luck? Move on to the Recent tab. Files you worked on recently usually appear here, even if you moved them by accident. Now, let's check the Trash folder. Sometimes files get deleted unintentionally. Click on Trash in the left panel. If you find your files there, just right-click and select Restore. If the files are not in Trash, they may have been moved to Shared with Me. Click that section to see if someone shared the files with you instead of placing them in your main drive. Another common issue is with filters or hidden folders. If you're using shortcuts or shared drives, files may appear hidden. Go to your drive settings and make sure all folders are visible. And here's a pro tip. Check your Google Drive storage. If your storage is full, new files may not sync or may fail to appear across devices. Clear up some space by removing large unused files or upgrading your storage plan. If none of these work, head over to the Google Drive Activity panel. Click the eye icon on the top right to see the history of changes. This can help you track who moved, edited, or removed a file. Finally, if you suspect files were permanently deleted, contact Google Drive support. Google keeps a backup of deleted files for a limited time, and they may help you recover them if you act quickly. So there you have it, a complete guide to finding missing or invisible files on Google Drive in 2025. Before you go, here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep a backup of your important files, either in another cloud service or an external drive. It's the best way to protect your data from accidental loss. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be facing the same problem. And if you still can't find your files, drop your issue in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.